today a very important interview question asked in Java. What is polymorphism and how it can be achieved? Polymorphism is the ability of a method to have different implementation. For example, whenever we click a photo, we can share that photo via WhatsApp or we can save it in the drive. This can be achieved in two ways. The first one is method overloading. Method overloading is also called as compile time polymorphism, in which a method of a class can have different implementations. It is called as early binding because the method which is called is resolved during the compilation itself. So it is a class level polymorphism. The second way is using method overriding, which can be achieved if there is inheritance present in your code. It is a phenomenon in which a derived class provides specific implementation of the method provided in the base class. So, a reference of the base class is created and it depends which method will be called depending upon the object being passed to that reference. That is why it is also called as runtime polymorphism, and since the method being called is resolved during the runtime, it is also called as late binding. So that's all for today.